So today we're going to shake it up a little bit, and I'm going to talk about a very different kind of real estate. Because normally on this channel I'm talking about, physical, real world, real wealth real estate. Today I want to talk about digital real estate. I want to talk about YouTube. Because you and I, we got something going on here. We got this community built, and I'm sharing with you how you can invest successfully in real estate. But this is also real estate unto itself, and you might be watching this thinking, man, I wish I could do what Kris does. I wish I could produce videos and share my talents and abilities and passions that might be different than real estate. And can you do that to make money? That's coming your way right now. So today I want to talk about real estate, but maybe in a little bit of a different light than some of you might have been thinking in the past. You know that I'm a huge fan of real estate. Real estate houses some of my core investments in how I diversify and how I build and grow wealth. But YouTube is also a format of real estate. We are in this digital age, and if you think of what the internet started out as and what it is to this channel right here is a nice little spot of juicy real estate where I get to build a community, I get to interact with you, I get to take your questions and comments and concepts and create videos just for you, and it's a piece of real estate. And that real estate also produces income, it produces money. And I've had some of you reaching out saying, Kris, if you're so successful, then why are you doing YouTube? And first of all, I've tried to answer that in one of my other videos just to let you know that I love helping people. I love creating value for people. I love pointing and showing the way. I was recently in the airport and I had someone run up to me and throw their arms around me and high five, and so excited because of how this channel helped them do something. And ever since I wrote my very first book, that was one of the most rewarding parts of writing that book, was having people come back in my life and tell me how it helped them do real estate and succeed at it. This channel is really just an extension of the books that I've written in doing everything I can to help you be successful. But I also get to make money through YouTube. That's actually kind of a perk and a plus. There's a couple of ways that happens. And if you've ever wanted to know how to make money on YouTube, then I want to invite you to really perk up your ears and listen in. Because at the end of the video, I want to share with you a special opportunity that you can get a lot more information and training from me and Grant Thompson, the king of random, one of the top 100 YouTubers in the world. We're going to show you how you can do the same. But first of all, just by being out there and sharing the message, what I do is I search for the things on the internet, just like you, that people want to know about real estate. And it's within my passion, so I create videos, and my goal and intention is to help as many people around the world that have that. And YouTube is going to pay me to do that. YouTube it has advertisers that will advertise things on this channel. They do something where they pay out what's called AdSense. I'm now starting to get my channel big enough where I'm attracting different sponsorships and meeting other YouTubers and people that I can play with. It's also introducing me to a handful of you that say, hey, Kris, I'm serious about investing in real estate, and I'd like to pay for one of your training programs, or teach me how to partner with people, or how do you do lease options? Can you give me the contracts and the flyers and really the exact system that you use? Or Kris, I've got money sitting in a 401k. Will you take me to your best markets and help me get 100% ownership in the properties that you're doing out there? Those are all things that I do for people. So YouTube is one of my hubs where I love to share, I love to create value, and I want to share with you what I love about it the most. I don't know you personally, but if you're watching this video, it would only be because you're valuing something that I'm sharing with you. And any other way that I've ever gone about sharing in the past, I could give someone my real estate book, but do I really know that they want it? Do I really know that they'll read it? I really don't. On YouTube, you're not going to watch this video, and if you're still watching right now, it's because you're hoping I say more of what you're waiting to hear about. And so I find it to be one of the most authentic and organic ways to meet the right people. And I'm thankful to YouTube for that, because now I get to be connected with you. Well, all of this adds up to actually making a tremendous amount of income. And there's a lot of people that want to decode and know, Kris, how are you doing that? So if you want to know that exact system, one of the things that I wanted to share with you as a free gift is I wanted to create that awareness that the king of random, Grant Thompson, and we become business partners. Now, his channel has 1.5 billion views. He has nearly 10 million subscribers. He's the ultimate do-it-yourselfer when it comes to exploding things, building things, creating things, family projects, home projects. And aside from that, he's just a really good man. I love the family man that he is, his amazing wife, their 4 kids. So we've decided to partner up. And we're actually doing a couple of things together. The first one is we are just launching a brand new YouTube channel called Self-Made. And you can find, for all the things that I'm talking about, click the description below. And you'll get a link for that specific channel where Grant and I shortly are going to start pumping out daily videos to teach you how do you actually make money on YouTube. YouTube is one of the best secrets on the internet for making money, spreading influence, sharing a message that you care about, and having a passion that you can even get paid for. We live in a world where there's a lot of people have things they would rather do with their life than their jobs, but they don't know how to get paid for it, and YouTube really is a perfect place for that. So if you check out that channel, as we start dropping our daily videos, you're gonna wanna subscribe and ring the bell, so once we start loading it up, you can find out about those. The second thing I wanna create awareness of is Grant and I are putting on a special event. And these events, they're 3 days, and they're all about teaching you live in person, him and I, how you actually monetize YouTube, how you make money with it doing what you love while promoting your cause, your services, or the things that you really believe in. And so you can go to selfmadeseminar.com. Again, that website is in the link below. Find out about our next event and come out live. Spend that time with Grant and I. So whether you're checking us out on the YouTube channel, whether you want to get 3 days of intense live training, the goal is that you leave with your YouTube channel launched and a strategy and a blueprint of knowing exactly how to monetize that. Just last night, I was hanging out with a buddy of mine. He's got almost 1,000 subscribers. He's a gamer. He loves to create video games. And it was cool to sit down and see what he's doing. The world is catching on that you don't have to be at a dead-end job that you don't love. The world is catching on that you don't have to do a lot of the things in life that you really don't want to. This self-made Facebook page and YouTube page and this self-made event that we're putting on is really about creating a greater education for all of you about what's possible. I love real estate. I love the mindset of real estate, and I love sharing that with people. I love teaching people this information. And so as I find you, if you're sitting there like, wow, Kris, I really want to check that out, go to the description right now, click on those links, subscribe and become a member of that channel. And also consider coming out to the live event with Grant and I in Salt Lake City, where we'll spend 3 days with you up close and personal. It's a very intimate event, only 500 people, where we can show you how to do the same thing on YouTube so that you can not only buy real estate the way I am, but you can own your piece of digital real estate. We'll show you how to do that here.